What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be trying to put a roof rack on this bad boy. And the style of roof rack I want isn't really available for the 4Runner, and if it is, it's like $800, $900, which if I can pull this off will be like almost 3 times less than what you have to pay online for one. And if I did find one, you know, it didn't really fit my truck. Like, it was for a 3rd gen, a 4th gen, a 5th gen, because 2nd gen 4Runner for some reason is forgotten about, left out, and all that good stuff, which I love my 2nd gen, you know. I mean look at this thing. Like how could you not love this truck? She's a beauty. So today we're gonna try to get it done, and I'm trying to get a good video, some good coverage, some good information on what I'm doing, and I got the GoPro, so I'll be using it to get the footage of it all. So let's get started. All right, so first things first is we're gonna use our expo marker, and we're just gonna figure out. Okay, oh yeah, hold on. So I got all this metal from this place, and that's my dog. McMaster car, and I ordered, you can see all the different things I ordered, and it was actually supposed to get here the 11th through the 19th, and it got here pretty much before the 11th. I'm pretty much all these pieces, I think, or either before or on the 11th. So this is a list of things that I ordered, and I'll explain why from here on out. But for right now, we're gonna get the measurement on this 8-foot piece of aluminum. Is what we're using. Pretty much aluminum. And we're gonna go, and I want to get the angle because I'm gonna try to cut angles into this. All right, I had to take a quick lunch break, but now that we got our holes picked out and measured, now we're gonna figure out where do we want our support holes we drill. And this is important because this is where I'm gonna cut pieces in this, probably 1.5 inch thick pieces. This is a 12-foot piece, so I got 2 of them, so I probably cut 1.5 foot pieces, 1.5 inch thick pieces. Got finished drilling everything, and as you can see, it pretty much matches up perfectly the whole way down. So that came out really pleasing. I think that's gonna be today's video, pretty much so far. I think next we're gonna be doing some cutting, so we're gonna cut the angles on these, cut these, and then we have to drill these as well. So we're not all the way done, but we're pretty close. So we got about 16 more holes to drill. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh crap. 24 more holes to drill. Wait, so 24 times 2 is 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. I'm gonna need exactly 50 of those nuts I bought. But anyway, yeah. So I have to drill the rest of these holes, bolt everything in, see how it's fitting up, and then we'll do the cutting. Then it'll be painting, and then it'll be mounting it on the truck, which is obviously the most exciting part. Seems like it's coming together pretty well. It don't seem all that difficult, really. So I'll see y'all next video. Peace. All right, we're back. Now we gotta thread every single one of these holes. Which is why, if you're doing this project, this would be a good idea. Take some time out to get a tap. This tap actually came with the drill bit, but I didn't really look. I used a drill bit and I actually broke it. That's what I was meaning to say. Yeah. So, let's hope the tap doesn't do the same thing. It shouldn't be under much load. I should be able to get it all done with one battery. So we're gonna see if we can get it all done with one battery. How did it do that? I wonder. And that's what I was afraid of doing, was breaking a tap. And I knew so. And I was stuck in there too. All right, so we're back, and this is what we came up with. Went to Lowe's, stepped it up a little bit, got a Cobalt this time. This is a tap and a drill bit. This is what I recommend doing if you're gonna do this project. We're gonna put a little bit of oil on this time, just be a little bit more delicate, so we don't break it. So yeah, hopefully that works out. And we got a rivet nut gun. Reason why? Because I gotta put holes in the roof and I want to put the rivets in right the first time and not mess it up. So yeah, so it's definitely gonna be a little bit more gentle this time with it, just in case, just so we don't break it. So let's get to work. Wait. And that should be all of them. Should have a hole in every single one. You can tell if it's been drilled because it has that kind of like a little line down the side. Yeah. Feeling that, not feeling that. But we'll handle that when we get to it. All right, guys. So we ended the last video. You may see me breaking the tap. Right after I broke the tap, the camera died. I probably saved y'all the pain of hearing me say some choice words. But we got another tap, and I realized that you need a hand tap. So hold on a second. Let's get these. So what I ended up doing, I got a hand tap. And the reason I got a hand tap is because supposedly it helps you drill easier and you don't really have to take the risk of breaking it. So hopefully supposedly it's supposed to be better, and this is the way it's actually recommended on the back of the package. Some of y'all who know how to do this stuff is probably screaming, use a hand tap, you idiot, but I can't hear you, so why are you screaming? You're probably the idiot. But anyway, we're gonna get to it, get these tapped as soon as possible. You're probably wondering, why does you have two tires right here? Well, the reason I have two tires right here is because I am wanting to hold these still while I screw the tap in there. So let's get to it. This is time consuming, but as long as I don't break this tap, then I really don't care. All right, guys, we got the every one of these holes drilled. Guess what? The bit survived. It didn't break. So I can honestly say that today no bits are harmed in the making of this video. All right, anyway, so now it's time. That's what I'm kind of looking forward to. Is to assemble this whole thing, get these put on, get the bars put on, and see how it's looking.